bullseye.
About 5 years ago, I donated a system that I had built in my garage to a SWAT team in Northern California to use for training. From there, the project pretty much took on a life of its own, and we've got a tremendous amount of requests and decided to form a company to supply the people that are asking for these target systems. Our target platforms are designed with a 30-degree angle on the front of them. When any bullets hit those targets, they're directed to the ground. Also, the toggles on the side that operate the targets have reflectors on them as well to direct the shots towards the ground. The target itself is made out of AR-450 steel, which is a bullet-resistant steel made in Belgium. All the target cases are laser cut with an accuracy of 3,000th of an inch. So every target we build is just exactly like the other target. We have a congruency that way with the way they're built. All our modules are interchangeable. Whether you use a rotational target or a pop-up target, the modules can be traded back and forth. Our targets primarily work with soft targets. They're paper, cardboard, and soft plastics. We do that because of the safety factor. You get no ricochets back from your targets. Even the support sticks that hold it up are made to be replaced, and they don't pose a threat to the operator that way. One of the things that makes Highland targets truly unique is their portability. You can carry the targets, put them on the ground, turn them on and walk away, and they're up and running. All of our targets operate on 24 volts. They're set up so they will recharge from total discharge to under 2.5 hours to charge. We've tested these targets over and over again with a cycle of 555, that's just the magic number, 555 actuations per charge. And they'll go further than that, but we make sure that every single target will operate at least 555 times per charge. Our targets feature a delay before they operate. You can set from 0 to 999 seconds delay before the target comes up. To adjust the delay time on our targets, you simply push the button, adjusting from instantaneous to 999 seconds of delay start before the target pops up after being activated. Once the delay has been set, you adjust the exposure that the target will be exposed to the shooter. We'll set this one for 5 seconds. This gives the shooter 5 seconds to acquire the target and shoot it before the target disappears. They're totally manual timer systems. You don't need to have computer background to operate our targets. Any operator can pre-program, set them down and walk away, and they're ready to go. Our remotes give us the ability to control up to 8 different targets with one remote control, each one having a 1,000-yard capability. These can be customized to operate many targets using just one single button. One of the other features of our targets is their ability to communicate with each other. When one target detects a threat, it's able to tell the other targets that there's somebody in the area. Our market is mostly law enforcement, SWAT teams, military, and civilian market for the light-duty targets. Airsoft market is the light-duty targets. We're developing a target system that doesn't use the AR armor plating steel. They're a lighter, less expensive target. Here at Highland Targets, we're trying to do something truly un-American. We're building a product that lasts.